Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 20. Let's learn another 30 words together. Train, training. The company trains new employees. Instruct, instruction. You should read the instructions. Market, marketing. Have you been to the market? Ticket. You will need 2 tickets. Belt, seat belt, safety belt. Fasten your seat belts, please. Decision. I wasn't able to make a decision. Elite. They focused on the elites. Human. I'm only human and I do what I can. Quality. I thought the quality would be better. Apologize. Apology. Have you apologized to your mother? Cloud, cloudy. I don't like cloudy weather. Impossible. Impossible. It seems impossible. Mark. They marked the path with the ribbons. Useful, useless. The guidebook is useless. February. His birthday is in February. Zone. This is a pedestrian zone. Those, these. Can you pass me those shoes? Lovely. What a lovely day. Dirty. Dirt. I don't want to get dirty. Animal. I'm afraid of animals. Behind. I'm 2 days behind. Cost, cost, cost. Costs. The costs were too high. Severe. The wind caused severe damage. Gold, golden. They celebrated their golden wedding. Housewife. I want to be a housewife. Science. Sci-fi. Science fiction. I never read sci-fi. Lead, led, led. Led. Where are you leading me? Relax, relaxing. This weekend was so relaxing. Whole, the whole. I need to hear the whole story. Gun. We are allowed to have a gun. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.